no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need.
Happy Sunday and happy weekend to you all. If you are new to my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi World. For my supporters, I say thank you so much for supporting your baby girl. I really appreciate you and I love you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook okra soup in another dimension. You know, we learn a lot in this channel. Yeah. So here I'm going to blend my habanero pepper and I'm blending my bell pepper. I'm not blending any onions. So this is my okra. I'm going to divide it into two. I'm going to use this hand manual to grate it because I prefer using this. It's so fast. Yeah. So this is the outcome of it. I really enjoy using this hand manual. It's so fast, like seriously. So I'm going to go on and blend this. If you want your okra to slime, draw like dada, you just need to do it this way because now this okra, I don't know, it's not giving us that vibe anymore. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Then I'm going to go on and blend my okra.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to.
So I'll place my pot on my fire, then I'll add my red oil, palm oil, right? So I'm going to let it fry in a low heat and I'll add my blended pepper. You can still cook it in another way. You can just boil your meat and put all the seasoning, palm oil, anything. But I've already boiled my meat, so I'm adding my Maggi. I had no Maggi. So I'm going to go on and add my salt. So this is after 10 minutes I've been frying it in a low heat. I love to add my crayfish this way. I don't like blending it unless I just feel like blend, but I just love it this way whenever I'm cooking okra soup. So I go on and add my crayfish. I'm going to add my shaki, pomo, abodi, fuku, bagba, anything at all. So let's go. I let the meat cook for like some minutes, then I go on and add my fish. I haven't put fish. I don't know if I've cooked at all. So I'm going to go on and turn it gently because I don't want my fish to scatter. Yeah, let's go.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me.
So I try to cook everything in a low heat because I don't want my fish to scatter. So I'm going to go on and add my okra, yeah, and I'm going to turn everything together. Let's see if the okra will slime or draw in here. Can you see that it's not giving us that vibe at all? Let's see the outcome of it.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need.
So I'm going to go on and add my blended okra. And it is giving that vibe of drawing. Oh my god, like that slimy okra that you will use with your mala or banku or anything. So let's go. I'm trying to turn it together, like turn it together. Let's see it. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's giving that vibe of slimy, drawing, everything. If you are type that like to put vegetable, please don't mind the background noise. It's my baby girl. You just go on and add your vegetable, yeah. Then you try to turn everything together in a low heat. Okra don't need too much of time or too much of heat. Just put everything in low heat, and you are done. Thank you guys for coming in once again. Please don't forget to like and share my video, and I remain your one and only Tell Me What. See you guys on my next video. Bye.